Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at names of pets and domestic animals. So get your notebook ready. Let's learn how to say the names of certain animals in English. Come on. Did you hear that? It's a cat. One cat, cat. More than one cat, cats. I am allergic to cats. Can you say cats? Oh, did you hear that? It's a dog. Or if there's more than one, it's dogs. Do you like dogs? I love dogs. I have 2 dogs. One dog, dog. More than one, dogs. Got it? It's a fish. One fish, fish. More than one fish, still fish. Why? I don't know, but the plural is the same as the singular when you are talking about the same species of fish. Oh, look at that little animal. That is a hamster. Can you say it? Hamster. One hamster? Hamster. More than one hamster? Hamsters. We just add an S. Do you like hamsters? I had hamsters when I was a young girl. Hamsters are cuter than our next animal. This animal looks like a mouse, but it's not. It's a gerbil. A gerbil. The soft G because of the G and the E. A gerbil. One gerbil? Gerbil. More than one? Gerbils. Eek, I do not like gerbils. It's the long tail. I don't like it. I don't like a mouse. And I don't like mice. I don't like either one of them. Wait, they're the same. I know. One mouse, mouse. Looks like a gerbil, but it's a mouse. More than one mouse? Mouses? Mm-mm. It's mice. We drop the O-U-S-E and add an I-C-E. One mouse, mouse. More than one, mice. Why? I don't know. It's one of those irregular plurals. I hate mice. Do you like mice? Do you? Eek! Huh. This animal is one of my favorites. It's an iguana. Can you say it? Iguana. Yeah, an iguana. One iguana, iguana. More than one, iguanas. Have you ever had an iguana for a pet? You have? Did you enjoy it? Did you hear that? That is a guinea pig. Yes, a guinea pig. Look at them. They are so cute. They whistle. One guinea pig, guinea pig. More than one? It's just guinea pigs. Just add an S. Aren't they cute? Whoa, horsey. That is a horse. A horse is a beautiful animal. More than one horse? It's horses. I love to see horses run free. Did you hear it? It looks like a little horse. We call them ponies. Can you say it? Pony. One pony, pony. More than one, we drop the I and add I-E-S. Ponies. One pony, pony. Two or more, ponies. Can you say it? Ponies. Turtle, turtle. This is a turtle. A turtle. Or you could pronounce the T like a D and say turtle, 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 or turtle. I like turtles. One turtle, turtle. More than one, turtles or turtles. Just add the S. Did you hear that? Gobble, gobble, gobble. A chicken. A chicken. Chicken. One chicken. Chicken. More than one. Just add the S. Chickens. Chickens. Did you hear it? A pig. 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 Oh, they're so cute. One pig. Pig. More than one? Just add the S and you'll get pigs. Pigs. A rabbit. Rabbits are so quiet. I love rabbits. They're soft. Sometimes we call them bunnies too. One rabbit, a rabbit. More than one, rabbits. Got it? Bunny, one bunny. More than one bunny, bunnies. Drop the Y and put a IES. Got it? Bunnies. I hate snakes. One snake, snake. More than one? Just add the S. Snakes. Can you say it? Snakes. A parrot. A parrot. It looks like we should pronounce it parrot, but we don't. It's a parrot. Parrot. It's got the schwa. The O makes a. What? Schwa. More than one? Parrots. Parrots. Because the emphasis is on the first vowel sound. Parrots. Got it? I love that sound. A parakeet. Parakeet. Can you say it? Parakeet. Great job. More than one? Parakeets. Parakeets. Can you identify the animal? Which one is a rabbit? Which one is a parrot? Which one is a hamster? Write it down. Draw a line. Think about it. Are you ready? You got it? Let's go find out, okay? There's the answers. There they are. Hamster, rabbit, parrot. How did you do? Want to try two more? Which one is a snake, a guinea pig, or a pig? Which one is which? Did you pick the right ones? That's a pig. Oh, so cute. There's the snake. I don't like snakes. Did I tell you that? I don't like them. Little pigs are very cute. Whew. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I hope you learned some animal names. That's it for me, my friends. Thank you again for joining me here on the YouTube channel at English Makes No Sense. If you'd like to find different content, you can check me out at Facebook at English Makes No Sense, TikTok at English Makes No Sense, and Instagram at English Makes No Sense. Leave some comments in the down below. Tell me what you'd like to see, and I hope to see you soon. Remember, do something fun, do something amazing, or, do nothing at all. But whatever you do, have a great day. Peace, friends.